Okay, good morning. What we're going to do today is we're going to split this beehive. And we're going to move these hives out to a property we have at Lake St. Louis. So pull the next one, see what I see. You would think that if the queens that are being laid. See a couple of big drones there. But I don't see the queen. So this would be my next most obvious. And I'm also looking for queen cells or swarm cells, which would tell me if they're getting ready. That queen may be in that bottom box. Okay, right there is queen cells. There's 2 of them. So that's telling me that these guys, see that right there, are queen cells? So that's telling me that they're getting ready to swarm. So I want to make sure I know where those queen cells are. So they're here on this far left. Okay, there's a cell or 2 that's opened already, but no, it hasn't been sealed yet. Okay. I don't want to hurt that queen. So we're going to pop out this frame right here in the middle. Let's see what we see. There's a lot of brood. cell there. There looks like another queen cell to me. Okay. Okay, so at this point, we've split the hive. I believe we're equally split. We have about the same amount of food in each one. We have about the same amount of brood in each one. This one, I do believe, has a couple of queen cells in it. But tomorrow morning, let me back up. Tonight, when it's dark, I'm going to come out here and I'm going to cover the entrance exit hole with a little piece of wire. Just staple it on there. I'm going to do it on both of them sometime after dark tonight when they're all inside, and then first thing in the morning about 5:30 or 6, I'm going to get up. I'm going to take and put both these in my truck, and I'm going to take them out to Lake St. Louis. I've got the same stand set up out there in the woods down behind a rental house that I have. They should have plenty of space out there, plenty of food, little creek behind there, a whole bunch of woods with a whole bunch of flowers, so they should be good. Hopefully you enjoyed our video. If you did, share it, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up. But we really do need some more subscribers to keep doing more and more videos. So if you would, please subscribe before you hang up, and have a great day. Come back to see us. We're going to open these up here in a little bit. I'm going to wait probably about 3 to 4 weeks before I open them up and check and see what's going on. That'll give them time to have a new queen and build the hive. When we get out to Lake St. Louis, see if these have doubles, I'm going to put another box on top of each one of these, so they'll have plenty of room. Alrighty, you guys have a great day. Thank you.